So it's on a concrete foundation. Water's been around it before. It's a pair of cardinals in that tree right there. That's a Japanese maple. And that was my grandmother's favorite bird and my grandfather's favorite bird. And they both keep coming right up to the fence line. I got a fence there, keep the dogs in. They come right up and they sit on the gate and they sit on the fence. And the other day, they went bopping down. There's a fence around the air conditioner there. They've been hanging out this year. So I think maybe it's my grandmother, grandpa coming to visit. Here's my Jeep. Beep, beep, there's the Jeep. And did y'all see? I got some baby mourning doves up here in my tool case. Look behind the red and black box. She's looking right at me. I haven't seen the baby. I've seen one broken egg, but I haven't seen the babies yet. There should be 2 of them when they come. Hopefully nothing got to them. I try to take out all the critters that eat eggs, squirrels and armadillos and possums and stuff. So I washed my Jeep this morning. Then I had to go get the mail. Look at all the dirt. All dirt all over it again. Because over there's the dirt road. And it's a freaking muddy mess, boy. There's the blue mule. He's staying dry and comfortable. Don't want nothing to do with this weather. And I can't ride when the pollen's real bad, and the pollen's been real bad. You see all that? That's all pollen sticking from the rain. That's why I put the tour pack out here to wash the pollen off of it. It was covered. There are my maters. 3 maters there and 1 over here. I moved 1 into the ground to see how it would do. Oh, you can't even see it. What the heck, man? Oh, it's right there anyway. Let's see which ones do better, the ones in the pots or the ones in the ground. Stephanie Vo, welcome. Thank you for coming. The rain just stopped. We've already had 3 inches of rain. We're supposed to have 5 more days of rain, so I figured while it stopped, look at that. While it stopped, I'd go out and look at the creek. Look at that. You see that right there? That's all pollen. That's all pollen from the rain. So, like I say, let it rain, because I'm about over that mess. That stuff kills me nowadays. Didn't used to when I was a farmer for 30 years. But all right, y'all keep an eye on the creek for me. Let me know. No, you don't really gotta let me know, because it's 80 feet below the house and 250 feet away. Got the camera zoomed in. So I appreciate y'all being here.